after the leader of opposition announced and Rahul Gandhi takes on that mantle, it will be a big responsibility because he in many ways is representing the India bloc as opposition in the Lok Sabha. But another big showdown. Remember what happened in the pro-tem speaker? That was a temporary position. But now for speaker elections, there's another level of showdown already starting. Prime Minister Modi will move the motion for Om Birla to be chosen as the Speaker of the House at 11 a.m. That's happening in the next few hours. That will be followed as a support to the motion by other members of Parliament from the NDA. Now, NDA candidate is Om Birla, but because this time, with a stronger number, India opposition bloc has also given out their candidate, and that's Congress MP from Kerala, K. Suresh, who's also senior in many ways. But the India bloc appears to be split on this issue. Abhishek Banerjee, who's TMC General Secretary and the Member of Parliament in Lok Sabha, claiming that Congress didn't contact the TMC before they decided to field K. Suresh as the Speaker candidate name. But he's called this movement, the decision as a unilateral one. Meanwhile, NCP, Sharad Pawar faction chief, has said also that he didn't speak with anybody in context with the Speaker choice and that someone from opposition has held Deputy Speaker position earlier. He's quoting the patterns here. Remember, amid all of this, there will be 13 top NDA leaders, including Prime Minister Modi. They'll propose, they've already proposed, but this will be officially, with regard to 11 a.m., Om Birla's name for Speaker's position. On the other side, there will be K. Suresh, who's also met at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence with other Congress leaders. So, is it likely going to be Om Birla 2.0 in Modi's 3.0 government?
देखिए, ये कोई पार्टी का तो पद है नहीं, ये सांसद का होल का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर जो बहुमत है उसकी बात को माननी चाहिए सबको। यहाँ के लोग चाह रहे हैं कि डिप्टी स्पीकर का पहले ही कमिटमेंट हो जाए, लेकिन इधर से कहा गया है कि स्पीकर का बात आज है, स्पीकर का बात कर लीजिए, जब डिप्टी स्पीकर की बात होगी तो बैठ करके तय कर लेंगे। इस पर शायद उन लोग नहीं मान रहे हैं और इसीलिए हो सकता है कल मत विभाजन हो।
देखिए, अभी उन लोग अभी नया सब पाए हैं तो थोड़ा सा ही देख रहे हैं, बहुत आवाज़ें, बहुत बदमाशियाँ, सब कुछ चल रही हैं, दंडता सदन की मर्यादा भी मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे हैं। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं, हमारे स्पीकर, क्योंकि हमारे पास अच्छा मार्जिन है, वो जीतेंगे और कल्याण होता रहेगा, इस भारत का गरीबों का कल्याण होता रहेगा।
तो वो भी तो सत्ता पक्ष अपने तरीके से एक शर्त लगा रहा है, तो यही तो बातचीत होती है, यही तो सहमति होती है कि हमें विभिन्न जो मांगे हैं सभी को साथ लगा लेके जाना है, तो सभी की सुननी पड़ेगी। ये नहीं हो सकता कि वो अध्यक्ष पद का उम्मीदवार भी वही बोलेंगे और बातचीत का ढंग क्या होगा, बातचीत का रूट क्या होगा, बातचीत के नियम क्या होंगे, वो भी वही बताएंगे। इस प्रकार से बातचीत नहीं होती। इससे हमें सारे इंडिया अलायंस के विभिन्न बड़े बड़े नेताओं के साथ विचार विमर्श करके हम आने वाले समय में अपनी बात रखेंगे और एक ठोस कदम लेंगे।
In my opinion, that was rather churlish and petty on part of the government. And convention also says that the deputy speaker would be given to the opposition bloc. But they ran a parliament last time in the 17th Lok Sabha without a deputy speaker. And now I think the dialogue between the government and the opposition has fallen through because the government is adamant about not giving them the deputy speaker. So they're not really following constitutional parliamentary precedences. And that is why a contest has been forced upon us.
They should have considered for a compromise proposal. They have not considered our deputy speaker. See, previously, for the past 5 years, they have not given the opportunity to the opposition. At least even now, can't they give it? It's not good. It is not according to the customs and formalities.
मुझसे किसने बात नहीं की है, तो ये हमारा वो है कि हम किसके तरफ जाएंगे, इसका फैसला जो है हम ले लेंगे। लेकिन सबसे जरूरी है कि स्पीकर ऐसे हों कि जो सबको मौका दें। अगर स्पीकर मौका देंगे और अपने लोगों की बातें नहीं कहेंगे तो हमारे लोगों के मुद्दे यहाँ पहुंचेंगे कैसे और फिर उनके क्षेत्रों में काम कैसे होगा। जिन महान जनता ने हमें चुन के भेजा, मैं भारतीय लोकतंत्र का और भारत की महान जनता का धन्यवाद करता हूँ। जिन्होंने हमें चुन के भेजा, उनके मुद्दे उठाने का हमें समय मिलना चाहिए, इसलिए स्पीकर जो भी हो वो ऐसे हों कि सबको मौका दें।
Bharadwaj continues to be with us. Amit, like we were talking earlier about the LOP, now it's also about the speaker issue. It's going to be a big day today in the parliament. But why do you think that for every decision right now that the India opposition bloc is definitely going all guns blazing? They don't want to miss an opportunity. Do you think it's also about a messaging? They want to already set the bar high that they will question the government on everything this time?
Right, Pooja, also, but there is more to it. In fact, yesterday, if you would look at the turn of events, looked like a situation where the speaker's post will go with the NDA BJP and the deputy speaker's post will go with the India bloc. We were speaking about as to how the parliament could actually witness now going back to the old conventions, the conventions of the Alliance Dharma, the conventions when the Alliance government used to actually run in consensus with the opposition parties as well. And now that the NDA has refused to agree to the demands of the India bloc, they want to send across a message that this time around the opposition is not weak. The BJP or the government will not have a cakewalk in the parliament every time, be it the legislation or be it key positions such as, giving the deputy speaker's post to the opposition party. And had that deputy speaker's post, given or assured to the India bloc, in that case, the Lok Sabha speaker's election would have been organized in a much smoother manner, very calm manner, and there would not have been a contest of this sort, where the conventions have been broken this time around as well. Nearly 5 decades after, the Lok Sabha will witness a real speaker election. Usually what used to happen for decades now is that 2 members of the parliament would, propose a name, and
Yes.
after the deadline is over, that proposal would be declared as the new speaker of the house. This time around as well, until yesterday morning, it was looking like a situation where the speaker post will go uncontested and Om Birla will become the speaker. But after Rahul Gandhi made that comment that Mr. Rajnath Singh, the defense minister of the country, had assured that
Yes.
Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge will be given a call back, that callback never came. It led to a situation where the India bloc has now fielded a candidate. That candidate was actually, put in a
Amit,
hurry.
all I can
and was in
say
fact
at this point is, and it's very, very clear,